Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Ads tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to turn off auto-apply recommendations in Google Ads. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So job number one, we're going to log into our Google Ads account. Then we're going to navigate to the left-hand side under campaigns and we are going to choose recommendations. Once we choose recommendations, there is this button here that is called Auto Apply on the top right-hand side. So we are going to select Auto Apply, and there are two sets of Auto Apply recommendations that we can disable or we can turn off. Maintain our ads and grow your business. Now we are going to start with the first one here. So either we can click Select All or we can simply scroll down. Not all the Auto Apply recommendations are useless. You can disable everything if you want, but there are a couple of auto-apply recommendations that can be useful in general for running your campaigns. For example, optimized ad rotation is a useful auto-apply recommendation that typically I would recommend you to keep enabled because it will rotate your ads, it will find the best variations of your ads, and this means that our campaigns are going to be better optimized. Ad responsive search ads, turn this off. This means that the system is going to create new ads, completely new ads using AI. Improve your responsive search ads. It means that the system will take your search ads and it will enhance the headlines, descriptions. That's also dangerous because it is using AI, so typically we turn this off. Under keywords and targeting, remove redundant keywords and non-serving keywords. Maybe we can enable these auto-apply recommendations because there is nothing wrong with that. If we have keywords that are redundant, if we have keywords that are non-serving, maybe we can automatically remove them. Remove conflicting negative keywords. This means that if you have a negative keyword that conflicts, is the same with a positive keyword, the system will automatically remove it. I suggest to turn this off, to disable it, because it is better to manually review the negative keywords to make sure that you are showing only for queries that are relevant to your business. Use optimized targeting. I tend to keep this on because the system will try to get conversions at a similar cost. The downside of this option is that maybe the system will target a lot of close variants. So if you want to be extra safe, maybe you can disable this one, upgrade your conversion tracking with data-driven attribution. It helps the system to attribute conversions better for all your campaigns. So maybe we can keep this on. Under grow your business section, the second section here, we have a couple of things that we need to review. For example, add new keywords, add broad match keywords, and use display expansion. All of these auto-apply recommendations should be disabled because if we enable add new keywords, the system will just start adding keywords in our existing account structure, which is not something that we want. If you intend to use phrase match or exact match and you have add broad match keywords, the system will change your match types. If you intend to target only search network, the system will expand basically your targeting to display network if you have this option enabled. So all of these three options, we need to disable them. And then under bidding, now I recommend to disable everything basically here. Why disable everything? Because the first options here, bid more efficiently with target impressions, share, maximize clicks, maximize conversions, effectively give the system the ability to change your bid strategy. So maybe you want to optimize for, let's say, your cost per acquisition, or you want to optimize for conversion value. But if you have these options enabled, the system has the freedom to go ahead and change this. And the last option, set the target CPA, ROAS, and so forth. It gives the system the free remit to go and adjust your target. So let's say if you want to achieve a target CPA of 100, but you have this option enabled, the system will have the freedom to go and adjust maybe the target at will. So my recommendation is to disable all of the options, everything under grow your business. And then we need to hit save on top right-hand side, and that's it. So that's how we can turn off, that's how we can disable auto-apply recommendations in Google Ads. And that's a quick overview of what every auto-apply recommendation is doing for your Google Ads account. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Thank you, everyone.